Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Copycat Olive Garden salad dressing. And I'll even show you how to make the salad part too. To start, you'll need the juice from 1 lemon. So I'm going to slice that in half and then go ahead and juice those. You should get about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. It really depends on how juicy your lemon is. We got 1/3 of a cup, which is exactly what we're looking for. Then we'll pour that into a small mixing bowl along with 1/3 of a cup of red wine vinegar, 1/2 a cup of mayo, because Olive Garden Italian dressing is the creamy kind, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then whisk this all together. Then once that's nice and smooth, you'll carefully pour it into a salad dressing container. Then that's it for the salad dressing. Next, I'll show you how to make an Olive Garden style salad. Start with 4 to 6 cups of chopped romaine lettuce in a large salad bowl. Then we'll slice some red onion, and you can half this or leave it in rings. Put those in the salad. Then we'll slice a tomato or 2. Get those in with the salad. And then it wouldn't be an Olive Garden salad without some kalamata olives and some whole pepperoncinis. And then we'll sprinkle on some parmesan cheese. You can add 2 tablespoons of the parmesan cheese to your dressing as well. And then you finish it off with some freshly ground black pepper. When you're ready, pour on the dressing, give it a toss, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.